G-Wagon there, look. Not very often you see one of them around here. All the Christmas lights. You're coming down here? How we doing, people? It's Christmas Day. I'm off to have a nice turkey dinner, Christmas dinner. Oh yes. I've been waiting for this moment. But Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you're all having a good Christmas or had a good Christmas. It's just a video will be out after, so yeah, I hope you're spending some nice time with some family. Have a good time, man. I'm just off to some family now. I haven't had much sleep though, I will say that. I'm pretty tired. And this sun is blinding me. Yeah, it's bright, man. Why is it so bright? I love the Christmas time. Beautiful time of the year. Other than the cold and the wet, but we can ignore that bit. That sun is so bright, holy shit. Hello. Surprisingly, it's not that cold. I thought it would be colder, to be fair. What's everyone doing for Christmas time? Anything good? Or just going for Christmas dinners? I'm out here just getting blinded. I'm on about that sun. Deadly. G-Wagon there, look. Not very often you see one of them around here. That's cool. I cannot see a thing. So I'm back again. It's starting to get dark. I've got my tinted visor on, which isn't ideal. But yeah, I've just spent Christmas with my family, and it was good, man. Had a nice Christmas dinner, some stuffing and turkey. That's what I love about Christmas dinner. Nice ride home now. This exhaust sounds ridiculous going through villages. quite cold today, at this time at least. Slippy around them corners. All the Christmas lights. We don't do any Christmas lights on the outside, just the inside. Yeah, some people go all out on Christmas lights, don't they? They're proper Christmas lights with all the colours on them. They're the ones that look better in my opinion. I'm going really slow around these corners. Realised I could probably hear my music that whole time. Forgot to turn it on. So that's my fault. Question is, what do I do when I get home? I don't know if to play on the game for a bit, or if it's go to bed, or I don't know, play a board game or something with the family. Monopoly art or something. Oh, the Christmas tree there, I didn't even see that last time. They go away from me. Yeah, I don't know how dark it is on the camera, but hopefully it's alright. Oh, that was bumpy. That hurt my balls. Fuck. Potholes are terrible. Absolutely terrible. What do we even pay road tax for? Got a carrot in our car. The struggle is having hair in your mouth when you're on a bike and got a helmet on. It's ridiculous. They've got some nice decorations. Are they baubles? They had big baubles on the garden. Or made out of straw or something, I'm not sure. Cool though. What are they doing? Are they just parked up? I guess so. Coming down here. Alright. that's going to be the end here, guys. Thank you all for watching. Hope you've all had a good Christmas and enjoyed time with your family and loved ones. And yeah, if you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe. Helps a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.